Start by pinpointing exactly where mice are entering the structure before you apply pine sol or any other deterrent. Walk the perimeter and interior systematically with a flashlight and gloves, inspecting along foundations, eaves, crawl spaces, attics, basements, behind appliances, and near utility penetrations for signs of activity. Look for fresh droppings which are small, dark, and pellet-shaped. Fresh droppings indicate recent use of a run. Check for gnaw marks on wood, plastic, wiring insulation, and cardboard. New gnawing has light-colored exposed material, while old gnawing darkens with dust. Search for smudge marks along walls and baseboards where oily fur leaves trails, especially along consistent travel lines between nesting and food sources. Probe possible gaps and seams around pipes, vents, utility lines, and window frames. Remember, mice can squeeze through openings the size of a quarter, so measure mentally and treat much smaller gaps as potential entries. Scatter a light dusting of talcum powder or flour along suspected runs, and check the next day for footprints and tail drag marks to confirm active routes. Use a thin wire or coat hanger to probe holes and feel for airflow or warmth at external openings during calm weather, which often indicates an entry that is frequently used. Common mistakes include treating visible chewed areas without finding the true entry and sealing or applying deterrent to a secondary route while the main hole remains active, so always follow tracks back to larger or nearby openings and verify activity before sealing. People often rely only on traps or deterrent scents without removing attractants. Fix this by eliminating food sources, storing food in metal or glass containers, and securing trash to reduce the incentive to return. Another frequent error is sealing holes with ineffective materials like cardboard, thin plastic, or untreated wood, which mice quickly re-gnaw. Use steel wool stuffed into gaps combined with a permanent hard sealant or metal flashing to create a barrier they cannot chew through. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare options related to pest entry, repair, and exclusion work. We connect contractors looking for projects with homeowners and host a community discussion area where we and members share field tips, ask questions, and post local recommendations.